Ayan, so onwards our journey towards investing and wealth creation, we will be learning about Forex and copy trading. Just to let you know that this topic is actually something that other people even pay for money. But today, our trading expert will be sharing all the information for free. So our speaker is a trading expert, a fund manager at Izanagi, and investment coach. Mr. Lloyd Bazar started as a trader, an investment and trading coach, and is now one of the leaders in one of the Philippines' top fund management, copy trading, and EA Izanagi, sharing their trading success for everyone to earn for free. Let's give him a big hand or a round of applause for Mr. Lloyd Bazar.
Thank you so much. Before I talk about the topic, unsolicited suggestion about the topic earlier about beneficiaries. I had an episode on this kasi sa page ko, if you're not yet a follower of mine. If you can, create a trust fund. Yun yung gagawin niyo na beneficiary. In case hindi nyo alam trust fund, it's a parang unit na dyan nyo ilalagay yung mga assets ninyo. Imbis na kasi niibigay nyo sa mga anak nyo, misis nyo, cause pa yun ng away. Diba? So, put it on a trust fund, and yung trust fund ipahandle nyo na sa mga trust fund investments or someone you know na magaling sa investments. And then, yung nakuha nyo sa insurance, makukuha nyo sa insurance, malalagay doon, at tutubuin yun. Tapos yung mga anak nyo, makukuha na yung dividends. So, may allowance nila sure. Minsan kasi pag nabigay ng buo, let's say for example, 1 million yung beneficiary, nabigay sa misis nyo or sa anak nyo, isang taon, ubos agad yan. Right? But if you put it on a trust fund, yung trust fund na yun is, kung tutubo man yun, let's say for example, kung pinalagay nyo sa MP2 yung trust fund, tutubo ng 6 to 7% annually. Yun yung matatanggap nila every year. Diba? Tapos, ay ituro nyo sa mga anak nyo na kung kukuha sila ng insurance or sa misis nyo rin, in the future, yung beneficiary is still the trust fund. This time, yung trust fund palaki ng palaki. And it creates generational wealth. Para sa mga apo nyo, para sa mga anak pa nila, ganun. Palaki ng palaki yung trust fund nyo. Mas malaki yung fund ng wealth ng pamilya nyo. So, ganun po na at least ma-sure nyo sa sarili nyo na kahit yung mga apo nyo sa tuhod is gonna be benefiting from your efforts. Ganun po ginagawa ng mga mayayaman. That's the generational wealth part, which is hindi pa natuturo kahan sa atin. But anyways, going to the topic, magandang hapon po. It's good to be back sa Korea. We've been here before 2019, before the pandemic. Time flies. Nasa tiyan pa to ng misis ko ngayon. Dito. So, pasensya na eh. Sa harap niya na. Anyways, raise your hand muna. I just want to know kung sino ba nang nagpo-forex dito or nag-trade sa money markets like stocks. Not necessarily trading, but nag-invest. I want to see your hands. Huwag mahiya kasi I want to adjust the talk. Alright, at least you already have the knowledge. Now, let's talk about AI rin naman. Raise your hand if you've been using AI in your life. And if you do, how are you using it? Sir Jun? Add captions sa business or pag-post sa Facebook, right? To create contents, di ba? Sa business, it's very important yung contents. Sino pa? Miss, ano nga pala ulit?
Maki po.
Maki,
Yes po.
how?
Usually po, when it comes to translating documents from
Yes.
Korean to English and vice versa.
Yes, tama. Ang dami pa. Pag-apply sa trabaho, resume nyo, pwede na AI ko. Di ba? Pag ngayon, mga estudyante, paggawa ng mga essay, mga assignments, projects, AI na gumagawa. So, the thought of AI is really improving the task, di ba? Mas madali na para sa tao. We use AI para mas madali na yung task na ginagawa ng isang tao. Ako mismo, I use AI right now in my life a lot, especially on how I earn a living. And I'm gonna be presenting to you today paano. So, AI na tumutulong sa paghahanap buhay ko ngayon. Right? So, mga hindi pa nakakilala po sa akin, I am Lloyd Bazar, content creator, influencer. I'm more into influencing people kasi to start into investing. But behind all the talks, I'm a fund manager, investment and trading coach po sa Izanagi. I'm known for traveling all around the world teaching about financial education, and mas kilala po ako for a holistic system of achieving financial freedom. What makes it holistic is, ituturo ko po sa inyo ang pinakasimula from investment, savings, investments, and everything. Happen to be, my mastery is into trading. So ituturo ko rin po sa inyo ang trading. But it doesn't stop there. Right? What makes the trading system or the financial freedom system that I teach holistic is this. Pakita ko po sa inyo paano. On your screen right now, sa trading, yun yung mastery ko kasi. This is my key talaga to teaching you financial freedom. Andun po sa trading actually. Pero anyways, my point is this one right here. Sa left side, the picture, isang trader. Sa right side na photo, isang photographer. Raise your hand if you think mas madali ito at mas masaya na trabaho kaysa sa dito. Raise your hand. Mas masaya ba or mas madali kaysa mag-trade? Raise your hand if you agree. Oh, photographer. Di ba? Mas madali. Mas madali, di ba? And here, so ito, vlogger. Vlog pa travel. And isang trader. Saan yung mas masaya, mas enjoyable na hanap buhay? Vlogger, di ba? Pa travel. My point is, trading is not easy. Trading is boring. So it's not for everyone. So after I teach you about trading, and you find out, kasi ganda magsimula ng trading yun, especially pag nakita mo yung kumikita sila na ganito. So pagpasok mo, ay, ang hirap pala, ay, nasunog ako. After, let's say for example, 3 months, you find out that trading is not for you. This is too boring for me. Ayoko ng ganitong klaseng hanap buhay. So if you find out that trading is not for you, what makes this holistic is, nagpapaka-copy trade po kami. So, what that means is, kami na ang magta-trade para sa'yo. Kung hindi para sa'yo yan, at least tinry mo, ako na lang mag-trade para sa'yo. This way, you are able to still take advantage of the benefits of the opportunity. Yan. Yung opportunity ng markets kasi, andyan. But you're still able to take advantage of it this time. Dati kasi, kailangan mo i-trade para makuha mo yung pera na andun sa forex markets, di ba? But this time, with true copy trading, with the fund management that we do, you can still take advantage of that opportunity kahit hindi na ikaw ang mag-trade. Kami na lang. Best part is, we're doing it for free. Alright? Libre lang po yan, sinishare namin. Alright, so, let's talk about, please, next slide please. Money markets. Ano ba ang markets na tinitrade? Sino ang nagtitrade sa stocks? Sino may stocks? Raise your hand. Stocks? Sino may stocks? Bago pa lang. Cryptocurrency naman. Sino nag-cryptocurrency? Stocks. Cryptocurrency. May nag-crypto sa inyo? Wala. Sa Forex, I know some of you guys, June, sila Janet, nag-Forex na yan. But yeah, these are called money markets kasi. Cryptocurrency, ang dami sa Pilipinas ngayon, kaya naban si Binance kasi instead na sa mga stocks or sa mga local markets pumupunta mga tao, hindi na pumapasok sa Pilipinas yung pera kasi linalagay sa cryptocurrency. Kaya mainit si crypto sa Pilipinas. Kasi, truth of the matter is, nawawala ng opportunity yung local markets because andun na pumunta yung mga tao sa cryptocurrency. But me, or say, cryptocurrency kasi is the future daw, di ba? I think it is, yes, but it has a long way to go. But I trade more in Forex. Bakit Forex, Sir Lloyd? Sabi mo, crypto is the future. Bakit sa Forex ka nag-trade? Ang Forex kasi, foreign exchange, it trades currencies ng mga countries. Let's say for example, Korean won, Philippine peso, US dollar, di ba? Yun yung trade natin sa Forex. Dito sa Forex because right now, it's not yet the future, it's still the present. Okay, and si Forex kasi ang pinaka-stable na market. What I mean by stable is, si stocks kasi, if you're familiar, pag nung nagka-pandemic, pagsaklat ng stocks. Diba? Si cryptocurrency, nung nagka-pandemic, walang pera ang mga tao, kailangan nila ng pera, nag-withdraw sila ng pera nila sa crypto, pagsak ang crypto, walang pumapasok na investments kasi walang pera ang mga tao, hindi siya umangat. Until recently, December last year. So that was from 2020 to 2023. 3 taon na natulog si crypto. So meaning 3 taon wala kang kinita. Si Forex, since currency siya ng countries, during the pandemic, tuloy pa rin ang mga operations, especially yung pera, kaya nagagamit pa rin natin di ba? So, during the pandemic, may opportunity pa rin sa Forex. Nagkagandaan sa kanya, unlike stocks or crypto, kung pangit ang market, bumabagsak yung kasi, yung stocks sa crypto. Si Forex, it's traded by pairs. So, a little basics about Forex naman tayo. It's traded by pairs. Let's say, for example, si Korean won versus Philippine peso. Diba, umaangat minsan, bumababa minsan yung value against peso. Diba? So si Korean won, let's say for example, masyadong mataas na yung value niya, masyadong mahal na. yung inflation usually goes up with it, di ba? Since na inflation na, bumabagsak ang value ng Korean won. So walang opportunity doon. Pero, since we're traded by pairs, Korean won versus peso, meron other part na umaakyat ang value. Di ba? Pag bumabagsak ang value ng Korean won, anong nangyayari sa peso versus it? Maangat naman. So may opportunity ngayon sa peso. I don't trade peso and Korean won, but yung tinitrade kasi natin sa Forex is the major currencies like US dollar, Euro, gano'n. Pero gano'n lang, si Euro, pag umangat si Euro, bumabagsak si dollar. Pag si dollar naman malakas sa economy, si Euro naman bumabagsak. So it's always a balance, and since kung may bumabagsak, meron rin umaakyat, there's always opportunity in it. During pandemic, may opportunity pa rin to trade it. That's the reason why I trade in Forex, because it's very consistent. And for someone who is depending on trading for me to pay my bills, Forex is the most consistent market to trade in. This is the reason why I am in it. May nagsasabi, ayaw lang ng Forex kasi very volatile. I have the same, grabe daw umakyat, grabe daw mamaba. I had the same first impression noon, but when we tried to learn it, totoo siya sa mga currencies like Japan na umakyat talaga at bumaba talaga. Peso, 48 pesos per dollar, tapos maabot ng 56, 58, almost 60 pa nga, di ba? So, ang layo ng takbo niya. Pero may mga currencies pala na very stable, which is yun yung Euro, USD. But these currencies, hindi naman ganun gumagalaw. Very predictable yung galaw niya. So, may option rin na ganun pala. Right? So, Forex, I'm trading in the Forex market. So, now, I'm gonna share to you a short trading lesson. It will be a little bit boring kasi trading lesson. Trading can be boring. Totoo po yan, right? And don't worry kasi yun naman talaga ang purpose namin dito. We try to eliminate the boring part. But what I'm going to show you is how we're able to earn thousands of dollars a month in trading. Okay kayo dyan? Oo, kanina boring. Tapos narinig yung thousands of dollars. Yes! Yeah. Pero totoo po yan. Anyways, yung purpose talaga namin is to really eliminate the boring part of trading naman talaga. So, that's going to be our discussion today. So, this is, I'm not sure if you're familiar kay Euro tsaka dollar. There was an incident in 2022 na si Euro, usually mas malaki yung value niya kay dollar, di ba? Are you familiar with the news nung yung si Euro mas bumaba ang value kay dollar? Were you able to get that news? But there was an instance na si Euro mas bumaba ang value kay dollar. This was it right here. This is Euro against US dollar. Hopefully you can see it. So, bumaba yung value hanggang dito. And then, pagbaba ng value, umakyat, umatras. So, umakyat, bumaba, pinakamababa niya all-time low. Tapos here, we had a little reversal signal, umakyat, bumaba, and then it created a resistance. And then, yung pinaka-exciting na part ng isang trader nangyari. Tumaas from the previous resistance. Resistance is yung last na presyo pinakamataas. Bumaba, umakyat ulit, gumawa ng resistance, and then tumaas na this time. And this is called a breakout. How exciting. Hindi. Pero I'm just showing to you na eto ni, even simple things like this excites us as a trader. Ganun po ka-boring trading. Diba? But yeah, this is what the trade that we did. And let me just zoom in. So, next slide please. So, yan na po. Previous resistance, we created the trade right here. And next slide. So, when we created the trade, this is called a breakout. So, pag breakout yan, usually maarakada. So, what we did is we created a trade here and closed the trade here. It's around 3.80% na hold. Actually, tagal na nga niya na hold niya. Pero laki pa ng profit niya. Pero kung hinold niyo po yan, pwede pong umabot ng 10% yung game. But we're using leverage, so mas malaki pa yung kita namin dyan, actually. But, yan po yung, yan. So, that was the trade, 3.8%. But here, in Izanagi, I'm one of the managing directors of Izanagi. Automated trading po yan na fund management. As of November 2023, kasi November nangyari yun. As of November 2023, when the trade happened, we are at 2,000 users and more or less 2 million US dollars in amount under management. So yun po yung hinahandle namin na pera sa Izanagi and tinatrade. Okay? And, next slide please. During that time, yung November nangyari yun, November 2022, we closed the month with 4.34% profits. Actually, ito yung performance namin nung buong 2022. And we're very proud to say na every month po yan, even hanggang ngayon. Kung gusto niyo po makita, you can open your phone and scan this one. One of the strengths of Izanagi is our performance is public. Anyone can check it anytime. Scan nyo po. Huwag nyo picturean lang. Open your website. I encourage you to open it now para makita nyo po yan. Okay, so November, 4.34% po ang kinita natin. So, this is MyFX book. Okay? If you're already familiar kay MyFX book, yun yung ma-open nyo ngayon na website. Isa po yung third party na website that verifies and breaks down your trading performance. Kung sa community pa yan ng mga forex traders, ito po yung resibo ng performance mo. If someone tells you na, magaling ako mag-forex, hingan niyo po nito, MyFX book. Wala silang mapakita na ganyan, meaning fake yan. Right? So, na-open nyo? You're able to see it? Let's break it down. In MyFX book po yan. Ito po yung makikita ninyo. Next slide, please. So, if you scan that code, ito yung makikita. Actually, this is just August 2021, 2023 na screenshot pa nga. Makikita nyo po yan, verified po yung mga records natin dyan by MyFX book. Noong August, 615% pa tayo, August 2023. Ano na nakikita nyo performance dyan, Izanagi, as of April 2024? Dito sa gains. 688%. Okay, 688% ang performance ng Izanagi. That's from January 18, 2021 to present. Okay, and if you scroll down, makikita nyo po dyan yung monthly performance na breakdown, which is this one right here. Okay, so you can study it later para kung gusto nyo pang i-breakdown yung performance niya. But yes, yan po yung makikita. So if we had 2 million amount under management kay Izanagi, 4.34% ng $2 million. That means, for this month alone, kumita tayo ng $86,000. Lahat na yan lahat ng mga users. So that's around 4 million, more than 4 million pesos, 4.5 or around 4.5 million pesos, diba? So we were able to generate 4.5 million pesos to Filipinos to our through Izanagi. Okay? So ganun po kalaki. Next slide, please. Yeah. But that's not the message. Hindi po, kalimutan niyo po muna yung thousands of dollars. Hindi po yun yung message ko sa talk natin today. My message is, forget the process, forget the profits and focus on the message. The message I really want to tell you is, that trade, yung nakita niyo po kanina na trade, happened at 2 a.m. in the morning. Alas 2 na madaling araw, habang tulog ako, habang tulog lahat ng users ng Izanagi na open yung trade. Basically, we were able to create millions while sleeping. Mas importante na message what is, how were we able to do it? Paano namin ginawa yun habang tulog? We were able to generate millions. That is through AI na. This is the branding of AI, of Izanagi talaga, which is supervised automated trading. Hindi lang po si Izanagi ang EA or AI na meron dyan ngayon. Marami po sila. Amin lang is a hybrid of the AI or software plus kami na mga traders who knows what we're doing. Kasi pag si AI lang ang patatakbuhin nyo, walang puso yan eh. Hindi nila alam yung emotion behind the market. So that is where we come in. We fused with AI to make it successful. Nakita niyo naman yung resibo kanina. So, same AI, ginagamit nyo ngayon, si China nga, meron pa nito, face recognition, sa airports, meron nito, mga casino, meron nito, hindi nyo lang alam. Pagpasok nyo, naka-record yung mukha nyo, kung may baban kayo, kung pumasok kayo sa casino, tapos nakaban na pala kayo, ma-detect nila yon. The same technology that can detect your face, if the AI now can detect these complicated things, marami pa dyan. Alam niyo yung mga gimbal, yung mga gagalaw kayo, face recognition, gumagalaw rin yung mga camera, gano'n, AI rin yun, di ba? If our technology is able to do that now, and it will be able to detect the trait that I showed you earlier. So, ganun po ka powerful. Next slide, please. So, it can detect these kinds of settings. And that's what we did. Ganyan po. That's how we were able to create millions while natutulog kami during that time. And so, if ever gusto nyo ng ganito na profits, actually, sometimes these numbers are too good to be true. Pag nakita nyo ganito, this is 3 years of performance. Hindi, we're already on our 4th year. Pag nakita nyo po yan, 600% in 4 years, parang scam na pakinggan yan, di ba? That's how powerful AI is already. And again, don't take my word for it. Tignan nyo lang po yung MyFX book natin. And if ever gusto nyo po yan, na passive income, you can check Izanagi out. Again, we're sharing it to everyone for free. And so, the message really is, AI is here. Andito na po si AI. And we really cannot deny its power. Yung boring na part ng trading, yung panonood ng charts, ganyan, we were able to eliminate it. Hindi mo na kailangan maupo ngayon sa computer to take advantage of the opportunity in the forex market because of AI. And us, in our group, sa Izanagi, we're sharing it to everyone for free. We'll be the one to manage it for you on your accounts para ma-take advantage nyo pa rin yung opportunity na ito. So, hopefully, you take advantage of it. We are now able to eliminate the boring parts of trading so that you can enjoy the good parts of trading, which is the thousands of dollars. Right? So, ganun po. Ganun na lang po yung trading namin ngayon. Actually, yung automated pena, meron ako ituturo, which is the second part of the presentation I have now, which is paano pa mas magagamit yung AI to your advantage. This is the first step pa lang on making money with AI. There is a next step which is so much better. Before I continue to that, yun yung gusto kong i-message sa inyo talaga na hopefully you take advantage of it. Ayokong at least man lang lumabas kayo sa mga pinto ngayon na hindi nyo nakakonsider ang AI trading. At least si Izanagi as part of your investments in the future. Any questions before we continue about Izanagi, about AI trading? Yes?
Sir, gano'n na po katagal yung Izanagi?
Izanagi, can you move back please sa results natin? Kung titignan nyo po yung MyFX book, ano po yan. So titignan nyo po yung MyFX book natin, if you scan that, yung records natin is January 2021 po siya nagsisimula. But before we launched it even, okay, we did a backtesting pa nga. Backtesting meaning, di ba may data na tayo sa previous markets in the past. Tinakbo namin si Izanagi on the past data of the market. And it's still coming out positive. So, the backtesting we did was for the past 13 years that time. Bakit? Because para madaanan natin yung last na recession, which is 2007-2008 recession. During that time, si Izanagi pumasa pa rin. Right? And during the backtesting, okay na, testing na namin yung days before this one. We also did a forward testing. So from January to 6 months, pinatakbo pa rin namin si Izanagi na hindi pa namin pinapapublic sa mga tao, pinapagamit. So meron tayong live market testing before we launched Izanagi. Ang pinaka-importante ngayon, bakit hindi na namin pinapakita yung earlier pa nito na backtesting, which is my video naman, is because during this time, still pandemic time, right? So stressful ng markets during this time. Izanagi was still doing well. And 2022, remember, ano nangyari sa 2022? March, April, Russia-Ukraine war. Nagkagyera. After the Russia-Ukraine war, katakot-takot na inflation worldwide because of the gas prices, kinontrol ni Russia, inflation worldwide during this time. 2023, gyera na naman sa Israel. The results we have is battle-tested. So kahit 4 years lang yan, katakot-takot na market, dinaanan yan ng real market. Even during the war, sabi namin sa mga tao, kung natatakot kayo, i-post nyo muna yung Izanagi nyo, kami tatakbo pa rin namin. Kasi gusto namin masubukan gaano kalakas si Izanagi during these stressful moments. And if makikita nyo, if you scan that, during that time, even nung gera pa, isa yun sa pinakamalaking kita natin, 8% kita natin during the war. Ganun po kalakas si Izanagi. Was I able to answer your question? Alright, very good. So it's already battle tested actually. Sobrang grabe na yung pinagdaanan ni Izanagi. We're proud to say na never tayo in a month nag-close ng negative. 2023 performance was at 20%. Right? 20% yung performance niya 2023. Doesn't mean na this year ganun din yung performance niya. But 20% na passive income, magkano sa MP2? 2023?
7%.
We triple that. This is passive income for you. Kasi, si MB2 low risk di ba? Low reward din. Here, we're able to manage the risk. Ang drawdown natin, meaning, pinakamababang, kasi sa trading, hindi naman lagi positive yun di ba? MB2 laging positive din, di ba? Sa trading, hindi naman kasi laging positive yan. There are times na nagdo-drawdown. That means na yung trade mo, mali, bumababa ang capital. So, what you check there is, magkano po yung binaba ng capital compared sa profit niya during that year. So, 20% yung kinita, 2% ang drawdown. Meaning, 1:10 ang risk to reward ratio, which is very good. Sa trading, kung may 1:2 ka lang na risk to reward ratio, that's already very good. But here, ang performance natin, we were able to create 1:10 na risk to reward ratio with the help of AI and us managing the AI. Kami kasi sa management side ng Izanagi is, hindi lang namin pinapabayaan sa AI. Pag nagkaroon ng bad news, na-adjust namin yung settings niya. Kung tingin namin yung charting, ay hirap na abutin yung target profits, linalagyan namin ng trail stops, meaning if ever kabado na siya at bumaliktad, iti-take profits na rin lang yan. Kasi kung pababayaan mo, kita na yun Tapos bumaba, hindi nabot, sayang naman. So may management from us, the side. Kami na yun, para sa inyo, hindi nyo naisipin yun. So that's his name. Yes, Mimay, question. Online natin may question. Yes.
Opo, meron po dito, may FB page po ba si Izanagi for us to contact and connect to possibly start investing? Hindi siya
FB page,
excited.
wala mismo. Ako po, pwede nyo pa akong i-message. And if you want to learn more about Izanagi, nasa last part na slide, pwede natin advance muna sa last part na slide. Para lang sa mga, at least na. Punta kayo sa bit.ly/traderdev2024. You can scan this. It's a playlist of 4 videos. Andyan po from basics to the trading strategy that I use. That should be enough for you to be profitable in Forex. Pero andyan po yung basics ng Forex. Andyan yung Izanagi. So you will know more. Andyan yung introductory video ni Izanagi. You'll learn more about Izanagi and the other trading systems that I do. So meron po dyan about Izanagi. Click nyo lang para mapunta kayo sa website ni Izanagi.
Sir,
Yes, Louis.
being someone who's new to investing, so what do you think makes Izanagi unique from its competitors?
What makes it unique from its competitor is EA or expert advisor or yung bot trading. Have you heard of algorithm trading? Yung parang program na ang magta-trade, which is this one right here. That's the same. Has been here 10 years ago. Matagal na po ang algorithm trading. It's just that kinikip siya na secret ng mga big traders, and kung meron man nagli-leak, binibenta nila. Right? So here, if I have a program and tinas ko on the market and maganda, I can market it. Ito yung performance ng program ko, you can buy it and then use it on your own. Okay? So when you buy it, nasa 150,000, 20,000, bayaran mo ko. Tapos ikaw na bahala sa sarili mo. I don't care about what your performance is anymore. After that, kumita na kasi ako But here in Izanagi, we share our program for free. So hindi mo kailangan magbayad. Now, that free right there is our guarantee na hindi namin kayo pababayaan. How we earn in Izanagi kasi is through yung brokers kasi kumikita whenever you trade. Diba? We contacted the brokers na part ng kinikita nyo, bigay nyo sa amin para at least masustain na namin yung Izanagi. So that we can give it for free to all Filipinos. Kasi ang mission talaga ng Izanagi is we want to share it for free to all Filipinos. Okay? Now, what makes it unique is yung guarantee na yun na libre. Kasi kung hindi namin aayusin na pag-handle ang account nyo, pag-manage ang account nyo, what will you do? You pull out your funds. Pag nag-pull out ka ng funds mo, wala na kami kitain. Alright? So we're giving it to you for free as a guarantee that we will take care of your account and make you happy so that when your funds are still there, we can earn also from the brokers. Right? So that's what makes Izanagi unique. Hindi kayo pababayaan, hindi kayo magkocontrol ng bot. Kami po ang mag-manage ng bot. Kasi alam namin yung markets That's the secret sauce of Izanagi. It's we manage it for you. Instead of you buying the bot and you manage it yourself. So yun po yung pinakaibahan natin sa ibang mga providers ng EEs or algorithm trading. Yes, Mimay?
Anong uri po kayo ng trader? Swing o intraday?
Anong uri kami ng trader? Ako mismo na trader? Or yung si Izanagi?
Kayo.
Ako mismo. Alright. No, I'm a position trader. Siguro, hindi naman siya swing. Position trader kasi is inaabangan namin yung reversal ng market. Swing traders is nag-uptrend, o nag-swing yan, sasabayin nyo. Okay? Or intraday naman, everyday tina-trade, which is ginagawa nila, yun yung ginagawa nila Janet. But me, I'm more of a position trader. I'll explain to you why I do the position trader. Izanagi itself is a position trader. So, abangan natin yung reversals ng market. So, next part natin ng presentation, I'll explain to you more about Izanagi and how are you going to be able to take advantage of it, which is yung manual trading ko na ginagawa. Right? Very good question. We'll go into that a little bit further. Any more question about Izanagi? Again, libre lang po siya. You can contact me. Or if you're friends with Janet, actually si Jun, may Izanagi ka na rin Jun, di ba? So you can contact your friends, ask them their experience kay Izanagi. Pero yung guarantee po namin, naka-transparent po yan. Makikita po na lahat. Kaya po walang nakapag-question sa amin kasi kita naman ng lahat ng tao yung performance namin. Oh. Hindi naman namin ginagarantii, pero dinaanan na namin lahat ng pinakamahirap na market situation and never tayo nasunog. Never tayo nasunog, meaning pwede pang nag-negative. In fact, kahit na sobrang hirap ng market, positive pa rin siya. Ganun kalakas si Izanagi. Right? Kasi pwedeng, nagka-pandemic. Natural, negative tayo. Hindi nasunog, okay lang. Meaning, baka nag-negative 20%, nawalan tayo ng 20%. Hindi. Si Izanagi, kahit na nagka-pandemic, nagka-gera, positive pa nga rin eh. Di ba? So, it's more than hindi nasunog. Positive pa nga siya during those events. That's how strong it is. So, we're very confident on how it works. Pero gusto namin sundan, try nyo, kahit maliit lang muna, which is, wala nagtanong, ang minimum po ni Izanagi is $500 ang capital niya. Bakit malaki? Kasi hindi po trading iniisip talaga ni Izanagi. It's not the profits. It's your protection. Kasi kung maliit lang yung capital nyo, sa Forex kasi naka-leverage tayo, kung maliit lang ang capital nyo, kung mali yung trade natin, masusunog agad kayo kasi walang cushion or buffer tawag namin dyan. So it's part of protecting your money, yung capital actually. So hindi lang po kasi capital ang iniisip natin. Ang virtue talaga ni Izanagi is capital protection. Laging protektado ang capital nyo para laging meron tayo, andun tayo lagi. We're always present for the opportunities. So poprotektahan po namin yung capital nyo. And so we're always ready for the next opportunities. It's more of protection talaga. It's more on the long term. So si Izanagi is an option really best for mas malaki ang funds. Maybe you have, baka meron kayong, yung mga pinsan ko, naglalagay ng 200,000, 300,000. With the performance of Izanagi of 1.5% at average every month. Ganda na nun. Okay? So sobrang ganda na nun. So it's more for long term. So, meron naman tayong options na para sa mas maliit mga capitals or kung gusto niyo i-trade to talaga. Kung gusto niyo mas malaking kita on a lower amount, meron din tayong option. Okay? Shall I proceed or do I have any questions?
One
Yes,
last
you may.
question. Sa Izanagi po ba, more on sell short or buy long?
Hindi eh. Which is, can you go to the next trades? Next slide. Wala.
Next.
Ayan. So, this is the performance of Izanagi. Which is, tuloy ko na rin. This is the performance of Izanagi as of last month. Pinesent ko ito sa Manila. On the seminar in Manila. So, shorts 1 ang nakikita nyo. Sa shorts na tinrade niya, that was a total of 2,700 trades. 71% ang panalo sa shorts. Short meaning we're betting for the market to go down. Kung bumababa man, kikita tayo. Hindi nyo nakikita sa background nito is the long one. Ito yun sa kanya. 71% na 2,400. So, 300 trades different lang. Napakaliit lang na difference. So, it's both short and long, actually. But here, let me continue sa talk natin this evening. Hindi po yung profits ang pinaka-importante or yung gold mine ni Izanagi. Can you Google right now on your phone, what is a good win rate in Forex trading? Let me know the answer. Google niyo po, para si Google ang sasagot sa inyo. What is a good win rate in trading Forex? Ilang percent?
47.
40-70? 40 to 70%. 40 to 70, right? 40 being good, 70 is very good. Sobrang ganda niya kung 70% ang win rate nyo. Meaning sa 100 trades nyo, 70 ang panalo. Izanagi's trade is at 72%. It's even more than the very good na range na. That's the power of AI right there. Okay, so ganun po kalakas si Izanagi. Kaya po, lumalabas tayo every month na positive because of this one. Kasi, na-eliminate kasi si AI na ang naghahanap ng trade eh. Kung nasubukan niyo po magharap sa chart at magte-trade, mangangaba po kayo. That's the human factor, the emotional factor. Uy, baka bumaba pa to, ayaw ko mag-buy. Or baka tumaas pa to, ayaw ko muna ibenta, or ayaw ko muna mag-entry. Andun yung mga doubts sa human emotion. But here, because it's AI, wala na emotion yan. Pag linagay namin yan, dapat bilhin mo to pag ganito. Susundin yan. And because of that, we are able to eliminate that factor. We come out at 70% win rate. This is very good na performance. Next slide, please. So this is how Izanagi trades. It's a position trader, so nag-a-average po siya. And also, we only trade yung sinabi ko kanina ng mga stable currencies, mean reverting pairs. Meaning, taas-baba lang yan siya. Let's say, Euro tsaka USD. Si Euro tsaka si US dollar on a normal market, meron lang range eh. Dito. I'm not really familiar with Korean won, pero gumagalaw ba ng grabe si Korean won against US dollar? Grabe yung baba niya.
Pababa ng
Grabe sa
pababa.
kanya. So pag ganun, grabe bumaba, grabe umakyat, hindi po namin iti-trade yan. Kasi very volatile po yan. Kasi pag nag-trade tayo, grabe pa bumaba yan. Hindi natin makukuha lahat. Okay? So we only trade mean reverting pairs, yung stable lang na balance na currencies. So what we do is, we average down. So if you are going for longs, like, uy, palapit na yung support, dito lang yan eh. Ito yung mean reverting eh. Stable lang yung galaw niya. Akyat, baba, akyat, baba lang. So, what we do is, pag bumababa, malapit na sa support, hindi kasi guarantee na bababa yan dyan eh. Pag baba niya, pwedeng bumalik na naman yan sa taas, baba ulit. Yan. So what we do is, we already start the trade here. In case tama tayo at bumalik siya sa taas, panalo. Pero, pwede pang bumaba yan sa trading. So what we do is, on the next trade, idodoble natin. Okay, so we average down, and let's say for example, ang lot size natin dito, 1.0, dodoble natin yan. Sino nagkakasino sa inyo? Walang gustong
Walang gustong umamin.
Ganito lang ha, sa casino, kung magbabakarat kayo, or kung hits lang. Kaya po maganda si bakarat, kasi 50-50 yung chance nyo, di ba? The strategy is called doubling down. So, unang bet nyo, let's say for example, 500 pesos. Kung talo kayo, natalo kayo ng 500 pesos. Sa pangalawang bet nyo, 1,000 na. It's called doubling down. Bakit? Pag nanalo yung 1,000 mo, magiging 2,000. Nakain mo yung talo mo sa una. So kung talo ka ng 1,000 ngayon, on your third bet, kano itataya mo? 2,000. This way, yung 2,000 mo, pag nanalo, 4,000, magiging 4,000. Nakain mo yung 1,500 mo na loss. You still come out with profits. It's called doubling down. Sa trade, pwede pong i-apply yan. Okay? As long as sure kayo na magre-revert siya. Hindi naman kasi mangyayari sa bakarat na lagi naman kayo talo eh. Mananalo kayo at a certain point. Diba? Palaliman lang ang bulsa. Pati 5 beses kayo binalas. Diba? Meron pa ba kayong pang double down sa susunod? Kung wala na, patay kayo dyan. Pero yeah, yan po yung ginagawa natin. We double down. Kung mali, we double down. Kung mali, we double down. Hindi naman sa double down yung ginagawa natin. Yung ginagawa lang natin is by increments lang. Let's say for example, 1 lot yung increments natin. Bibili tayo ng 1 lot, which is 1 trade size. Kung talo, gagawin natin dito, 2 lot size. Susunod, hindi natin gagawin 4. Gagawin natin 3, another increment of 1. This way, kung bubawi siya, ang laki kasi ng position natin dito, kakainin natin yung losses dito. So isang akyat lang, panalo na tayo. We don't have to really bibili tayo dito. Kung hindi mo kasi i-double down, kailangan pa umakyat dito para mag-break even. So tayo, konti lang kailangan nating bawi, isang panalo lang, kakainin natin losses dito, we come out with a trade positive. So ganun po ang ginagawa ni Izanagi. Now, next slide please. How is that related to what I'm talking about? Kanina, ipinakita ko sa inyo 72% is lahat ng trades ni Izanagi. Can you go back to the last slide pala? So yung unang buy natin, we call that level 1 buy. Level 2 buy, level 3 buy, pwede pa yung mag-level 4, level 5, level 6. Okay? Yung 72% win rate kanina, including yung level 1 to lahat ng levels natin na na-trade. Move, next slide. So here, what if we filter the level 5 trades lang? Okay? So kung level 1 to lahat ng levels trades ni Izanagi, 72%, what if yung level 5 lang ang mga trade ni Izanagi, sir? Ang tignan natin na statistics. Level 5 trade statistics is at 96% win rate. Right? 96% win rate. Halos sure ball na yan. Di ba? So kung magsasabi ko sa inyo ngayon na, uy, bili ka ng US dollar kasi 96% win rate yung panalo natin. Or pumusta kayo sa Denver Nuggets, 90% win rate. Papasok ba kayo? Hindi. 96% win rate is halos perfect na trade na yan. Sobrang ganda na po niya. Okay? So, that means to say, uy, level 5. Taas na win. What if sabihin ko sa iyo na trade mo to, 96% win rate yan? Siyempre, trade mo. Diba? Next slide, please. Now, question. So, if you see the Izanagi bot trades and you see that the trade level is now at level 5, would you trade it? Can you answer me? Will you trade it? Yes or no? Yes. Yes. Nakita nyo kanina, 72% na win rate is already very good. 92% win rate is sobrang ganda na po niya. Hindi ko mapa-quantify sa inyo ng maayos, pero sobrang ganda na po ng trades ng ganyan. Anyways, so, next slide. So, ganito po yung makikita ninyo on your trading app. Okay? So, OddCAD 0.01, you can tell the levels by the lot sizes kasi. So here, OddCAD 0.01, anong level to? First level. So here, OddCHF, which is the current trade, so this is Izanagi right now, of Shadow. OddCHF, level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, level 5. Nakita nyo na, uy, level 5 si OddCHF. Pwede nyo, at sabihin ko sa inyo na, guys, pwede nyo sundan ang trade ni OddCHF. I-trade nyo hindi. Trade nyo. Okay? And then, that's 96% win rate, and most probably, panalo na po yung trade na yan. Okay? Si OddNZD, may dalawa, sorry. OddNZD and OddNZD 0102, ito level 2 pa lang. Uy, silip po, ay, level 2 pa lang si OddNZD, ay, hindi ko ba ito-trade yan. So, kung ito-trade mo to, yes or no? Level 5. 96% win rate. Yes. What you did there is called shadow technique. Yun po yung trading strategy na ginagamit namin. And here are some of the, kilala to nila ano? Kilala nyo sila, Jun? Yes. Janet, kilala mo sila? These are the rock stars of our community. The shadow technique trading system, yung tinuro ko sa inyo kanina, created 26 millionaires last year, 2023. Our goal for this year is to reach at least 100 millionaires of trading. Pero sobrang dali na po ng trading. Kasi titignan nyo lang, kung level 5, the-trade nyo. Yung mga kailangan mag-chart, and yung experience ninyo nung high school and college, kung gaano kayo kagaling mangopya, magagamit nyo na ngayon, at pwede nyo po magperahan through shadow technique. So, may purpose po yung dinaan high school kayo at saka college. Pero ganoon na lang po kadali ang trading. Next slide, please. Si Miss Al Abaw. Hindi ko lang na-prepare sa slide, but she's one of the most successful people sa kinakopy trade ngayon with a broker. Meaning, nagpapakopya na po siya sa trades niya. Yung story niya is, look at her deposit. Deposit niya is how much? $800. That's 40,000 pesos on this account. Magkano yung profits niya?
Laki. 40,000.
40,000, meaning 2 million. So from 40,000 naging 2 million, nakumita siya ng 2 million from that. Using shadow technique. 1,800 trades, deposit 800 profits in just 7 months. And this is not a professional trader. Professional na nangungopia. Yes. But yeah, she is an IT expert. Nasa Mexico to siya. What she did was, actually hindi pa namin tinuturo si shadow technique during this time. She's just innately smart. Nag-Izanagi lang siya. So, nagtutrade yung community niya doon sa Mexico. Meron siya mga kasama na nagtutrade. So, trade sila ng trade. Pero hindi siya kontento kasi panalo ngayon, talo na naman, panalo na naman, talo na naman. She has Izanagi. Now, she was wondering why. Yung trades niya manual, grabe na upuan nila, ang dami pa rin talo. There are months na hindi consistent. Panalo naman, may months na talo. Bakit si Izanagi laging nananalo? So she broke down the trade, she studied the trade. Ganito pala, pag nagle-level 4, taas na ng win rate. Ginagawa niya, kinakopya niya na. Hindi pa namin tinuturo. Actually, sinastudy pa lang namin yun during that time. But she was already doing it. And ito yung resulta ng ginagawa niya.
Sana all.
Okay? Si previous slide, si Art Santos naman, very inspiring story. I just want to share this one. Arthur Santos, OFW rin yan sa Singapore. He gave up on trading. Nag-give up na siya mag-trade. Kasi hindi nga siya successful. So what he did was, eto na lang, ayoko na mag-trade, mag-Izanagi na lang ako, passive income na lang. And then, inintroduce namin yung shadow to everyone. He was curious, and he tried it. In 1 year, he was able to generate 6 million pesos. And I'm very proud to say na last visit namin noong March, he announced na magre-resign na siya at uwi na siya sa Pilipinas, magte-trade na lang siya.
Kahit
For good.
Kahit yata sino gagawin niya.
And he's now earning at least $500,000 a month sa pagte-trade niya.
Nakainis ka na.
Tama. Bilhin natin yung amo natin.
But true to life stories po ito sila sa community natin if you join. And again, we're teaching it for free. Libre lang po yan. Part of our mission to make every Filipino realize na huwag na kayo matakot na mawala ng trabaho. That's part of the financial freedom kasi. Diba? Hindi kayo matatakot. Kung ano man mangyayari, kung mawala man trabaho, magka-pandemic man, you know where to look for money. Alam niyo saan pupulutin ang pera kasi silip kayo sa Izanagi. Ay, may level 5. Pulot ng pera. Trade nyo lang, level 5. That's how powerful it is. Next slide, please. I prepared 4 videos for everyone. Balikan nyo lang po ito. bit.ly/traderdev2024. You can scan this one, take a photo of it. So lahat mga nagla-live dyan, screenshot na kayo. There are 4 videos in this website. Basics of Forex. Pangalawa is Izanagi, more in-depth kasi hindi ko pwede i-discuss buong in-depth breakdown ng Izanagi, paano siya. Shadow clone technique. Yun yung kukopyahin nyo po sa Izanagi. And then, the 4th video is the full shadow technique na po yan. At so on more pairs, mas aggressive po siya na trading. But sobrang ganda pa rin po yan. So, you start with the basics as a newbie, automated trading as a newbie. So, para dahan-dahan yung pag-aralan sa Forex. Tapos, i-familiarize nyo yung Izanagi. Next step is, sabay-sabayan nyo si Izanagi. Uy, minsan lang kasi nangyayari yung level 5 kay Izanagi. May Izanagi level 5 ngayon. Pwede nyo nga level 4 kung gusto nyo mas aggressive. Para makuha nyo po yung sistema. Pag you're confident enough already, kilala nyo na sa Forex, you know how to buy, you know how to sell already. Now you transition to shadow technique. Which is a more aggressive trading, kailangan so kailangan nyo experience sa tatlo. Kahit yan lang pong 4 na video na yan, I'm very confident that you will be profitable in trading Forex already. That is my presentation this evening. Thank you so much. Let's get rich together.